Welcome to Jarrett Scott Ford, and here's a look at another one of our new vehicles from our great selection of Fords, and comes equipped with many standard and optional features. Florida's oldest and most trusted Ford dealership has been serving our local communities since 1912. We care about our customers because they're our friends and our neighbors. Our dedication to our customers is proven by being Tampa Bay's only Edmunds 5-star rated Ford dealership, as well as our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff ready to help you purchase your next vehicle. So come see us today. Jarrett Scott Ford is located at 2000 East Baker Street in Plant City.